Check that shit out. Exceptional smoothness. So again, I want to give a big shout out to Roland, man. Thanks for the crown. Thanks for these barbecue tools, man. And I'm gonna send you a copy of my book. I just got a couple copies in my hand, and I'm gonna send you one out. Signed copy. Oh, look at this. And I told my wife over here, I told this beautiful girl right here, she said, what's that? I said, that's Crown Royal. Look at this beautiful girl. My God. Baby, what you got going on over here? What you finna cook? What? You're making pancakes? Yeah. All right, okay, well, all right, let's see if she's got any skills on the pancakes, folks, because Filipinas, I'm not sure if they know what they're doing when it comes to pancakes. You want to tell us your strategy on the pancakes?
What?
What's your strategy?
Oh, I don't know. This is my first time.
It's your first time making pancakes?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you got, baby. That's all right, baby. You mess it up, I'm going to make them pancakes for you. Don't worry about it. You going to put some oil in there or no? I'm just asking. I'm not telling you. You can do what you want. Do you need some oil?
I'm thinking more because
It's all right. Just try it, but I think it'll stick if you don't put some butter or some oil. Yeah. Just a tad bit. Whoop. And then stir it around, then put the pancakes on there. Yeah, give my trusty spatula. Let's get it going. There you go. Now drop it in there. Drop it like it's hot, baby. Boom, Pancakes going in the mix. Ooh, that smells delicious, baby. That almost smells like you got, what you got, some cinnamon in there or something? Wait. You know, I'm not going to tell you. You just go ahead and figure it out. Hey, folks, that's how you learn how to cook. It's trial and error. But it already smells like it's burning on the other side. I think she's
Me? Your one's not good.
I know, the regulator don't work good.
La, 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 la. Your wok is not good.
Ain't nothing wrong with that wok, it's the operator. What's it looking like on the bottom?
Muang ana.
Alright, you doing okay, alright, it's not too bad, let it go a little longer. It's okay. But it's sticking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I cooked mine in butter. And you cooked yours just right on that metal, I think.
Your wok is not good.
Don't blame the wok, it's the wok operator. Oh, what is this, egg?
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta go check on the baby here in a second.
Unsa naman yan eh?
There you go. Put some more heat to it. It's sticking on it, folks. There you go. Now flip it over like a champion. Let's do it. Boom, Pancakes. All right. Yeah. That's it, baby. That's how you learn. That's your first pancake. All right, now let it cook for just a second.
Hey, what up with there?
Don't worry, baby. It's gonna eat the same. You put some syrup on there. It's gonna eat the same. Got a little burnt smell going on here in the kitchen, but
Your wok is not good.
don't blame the wok. It's the wok operator. It's not the wok. It's the WO. The WO. Why did you decide to eat pancakes this morning? Huh?
I don't know.
All right, folks. Let me let her finish up on her pancake operation over there.
Honey,
What, baby?
look.
I don't know. That's the ugliest pancake I've seen. But I'm back over here opening up this Crown Royal.
I just used this one night.
So what I told my Filipina, I said, yeah, you're gonna want this bag, this Crown Royal bag, but she ain't getting it. You see this bag, honey? It's nice, huh?
Where you get that?
I'll tell you, my buddy Roland brought it to us. All right, let's take a look at this ugly pancake. My goodness, call the fire department, baby. Now look, I'll be honest with you. You'd be better off if you cook it on this non-stick surface right here.
Yeah.
But you have to pour it. You have to make it a little bit thicker on the mix and pour it up here. If it's real runny, it'll just run down through here. So you got to make sure that.
That's sticky. That's sticky.
Okay, well just pour it up here because it's gonna run this way.
Alright.
If you pour it here, it'll just run down the damn hole. I've already tried this before.
You want that good drill up. You want. Yeah, but
Now, folks, it's done. It's fluffy. Got a little burnt smell going on. All right, back over here to this Crown Royal bottle. Let's see if we can get this guy open. Oh yeah. Look at this guy. And folks, I got a I got an occasion. Next week I'm gonna crack this thing open. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it for this week. I think I am, because I really want a taste of it right now, but I'm gonna save this for this week. I'm gonna go back in the box to keep me from being tempted.
it's already hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, don't put your hand on there. Ready?
Yeah, yeah.
You just take it like this. Whoop. Okay, now it's gonna thin out. Just let that joker cook and jack up the heat a little bit. It's gonna be a D-shaped pancake right there. Oh yeah, look at that. That thing is not gonna stick at all. Look at that. Just try and see. Pour it right there in the middle. Let's do it. Get up under him, flip him. Boom, finesse. Look at that skill, folks. She's under the expert tutelage of a professional chef. And then this dude right here. Flip him. Ooh. Nothing like a beautiful Filipina making pancakes in the morning. My goodness.
This is that hot?
Yeah.
But I like this.
You like that one? And again, shout out to my buddy Roland in Massachusetts, man. Thanks for hooking us up. All right, folks, I'm out of here. We'll see you guys on the next video.